And the Tian say Christian Council and the Peace Council no e wo Ghana ha no. Abeya frefre koboku. Sabin prebiasa. Wonim de nyina ne say wono mampani Akufo-Addo bekwa akwatras no madi fufuo. No mawie na Akufo-Addo ko anaso mawie no moko na Akufo-Addo apeska krade akuta wo. Eno na Christian Council ni Peace Council no e wo Ghana ha no. Wo munim ye. Just recently we caught you on tape. Ya muni Akufo-Addo akwakosia. Na mudi aduane. Na mo nom. Na mo timoni. The Christian Council ni Peace Council no e wo Ghana no akwakodro no. Just a bogus institution. Dirty institution. Institution a hunim faso. Nya twomfo. Ni pabonefo munni aye. Ghana ya tuaba. Dia sie nya de papa. Christian Council ni Peace Council. Aseda abubu nua de esu omasom se. Wo munim ne yakoso. Na tie. Adentina Jemensa still now. Wada so change figures. Aden. Mumisa Jemensa say. Adentina still. What's the sense of figures? I want the website. About one ya to no. Ya wona wo se say. LPP na din kunim no. Jemensa guso as the figures. And now we change way. Adia no change way. Adia no do abato. Adia no akwakoye way. Jemensa, what's wrong with you? Adia na how? Wo yam adia ma Akufo-Addo. But enye ye. Akufo-Addo is condoning illegality. Akufo-Addo, you are illegally sitting there. And we will never allow you to rule this nation from this January 7th, 2021. It will never happen in this country. It will never happen, Akufo-Addo. It will never happen. What can I say that when you're from? What come who for to the Bema? So, now your Bema from her, we shall see. And I can say that maybe you're from. Shy. Now, this is what I say. One more homeless one. Who be just from Ghana? And some huna Jemensa Edin wa Ghana. And none was some figures. And yet, 10 was some figures. When you're president, you are illegally sitting there. But Akufo-Addo, let me tell you something. Sansem hunu Jemensa di ya. What did Ghana for you? Sorry, before it's too late. What? When your peace counselor and cannot crack. When your Christian counselor and cannot crack. Nya chumfu di pabanefo. Mudi nyamia tumu nsema huni pefe. Mabubo kasok and someone cannot crack. And damudia bribe and matitiye. And mo fraya doctorate. And amudia kwa ho. And now too many some hunu and in some phone and amuye. One day, Ghanaians will rise up. That time, you know, and you be one and Safua, you're from Peace Council. And you be one and Safua, or no become your woman. Akufo-Addo, a Ghana fraud. Ghana fraud decided say, John Dramani Mahama na ye pe, John Mahama na ye pe. Mosemu manen kwaso. It is some who I didn't want my phone, I didn't want my time, and I'll be able to ha. Try. Obinya Berman Tobio. Obinya Berman Tewobi. Namuka soldier for Mafa, and your matiti. A plan of swa, and your behood will be afa. Nana. Invisible forces. Ya pump soldier tabia sawon. No maka kwatiketa MP. Abonwa manako koma. Ay, enkurasene ya pani, awrade. Wamaya yatimi babia na yakokodroni. Waman fo waman tanta be pan yadrumi. And now Akufo-Addo nti. Emra nya adwuma. Emra tonsuom. Emra hwiase. Enra anumre. What is a jamba press conference pe. Now so ne judge fo nyina sia. emergency meeting. Minianom Ghana yehuo na wo mania sotium ena baby adro no wo mania eya sotium. Akufo-Addo is not the president. I can't kakra bi no sorry Africa na konya no so. And we will never allow Akufo-Addo to lead this nation anymore. And in Guasiani doso, Bonene doso, and I can't so be Shrowana. And I can't say Ghana, the American Pesa Tikafa. When we Bushia for said you must say Ghana Akufo-Addo. Said you must see Ghana. Said you must see a Ghana chrono. Matwa Ghana Japadia Nyadiama ho. Na meka se Jamabia Yajimi, ne de anim nyansa, de anim de akoso. Wa kokura wanya 76 years mpo. Wo so upe bibia di. Na ya mratia na mabawa. We will resist your presence you, and you are the oppressor. We will resist you. We will never allow you to lead us. I am telling you. Me na meka tro. De obetumi bia ye. De amra kakra kai. Ana mra de ama. Ya mawa kwenya bia ma woni Ghana nim bia mu da. Boni ya wadi Ghana fo no enough is enough. Ghana fo wo mampani Akufo-Addo wa disappoint me papa. Ya the democracy na do ba ya wodi atrio ana pesa wodi ka konya no so. Wo pesa wuda so ana. Ya ma ho kwayo. Ghana fo decide say ya mpawo ya to abatu ya se sore Akufo-Addo sore. What? And now, uko yisi website. And now, ni assistant figure away. Adiatia, ni assistant figure away. Adiatia, ni assistant figure away. What source of stupidity is that? What source of nonsense is that? What source of foolishness is that? What you say? Easy for and some huruba na mudi wa Ghana no. Mrs. Figures ne. Bossman Asari. Kwasi ampani bisa. Ya wani minyansa na jina bongum. Jimmy bisa sanya Akufo-Addo akakwasi ampani bi te sabas manasari etumi ye EC boss man ye Ghana ha etumi ye EC boss manasari kwasi ampani Jimmy bisa no etumi ye EC boss man ye masa ya esio ya yese ya banu ya to no ye say Akufo-Addo ma banu nya adwuma abanu ya to no ya pese ye hu say wo bia vote ya count. O person we abato ni mukokwatra ho ekodagu yeso enawura enguase awura wotebadwama woda okwa Russia na woda okwa America na woda ba bia be ko bia dagu ye ni masesa wade dasa Ghana force yempel fa wona free so wo se me still madagu mo so ade no amampani fo nya kosia ye toto adwe kwa hwa kwanya ye be fa so ayama be koso okwa no dasa hwan krom sa hwan krom sa ye say sorry enough is enough. Ya brewo tong the youth are going to have a rise up. You to know what more about Kenya mo na beya wonwa. You to know be Kenya mo pa. Na beya wonwa. Na mado e beya wonwa. Akufo-Addo e beya wonwa. What can say the Ghana konya ye chebi nkra bata wo. Na odi ababa ya de ope. Enye monarchy o. Enye monarchy ya kabi mami kabi ana de wo e de baba tena ho. What to be sorry. Ghana force yam pew what disappointed yen. And I can't so be sure what Ghana ha. Nento mampani Akufo-Addo no kura ni yam yanim ni. Sanya kraman manu odu amadi wati no say body guys. Anya muwa bi na odu amatwa ho asia say ayi invisible forces no. And yese woni memman tinyina nkonto kwante wo ya bema. Yete come to me. We ya bema. Baby odu amana kwakodro no yese enough is enough. Just step down. Sifam. Let the vote of Ghanaians count. Ghana force yam pew yesen guase ne doso. Wasan wabon wonya de. Wamamu etan wonya de. Wonsan wadwuma ta woda dudu. Woda too much. Wamampani a wada hwan krom sa. Adeda sa. Yesisi fam. Wo ba ye wonya hwe. Toilet president. Enim guase wura. And I'm a toilet. I did a toilet. No, I can't when you're beyond useless man. Like you can't sign him fast. No, so the toilet. If they're talent here. I go to say for ya buy a best talent, ya mamo. Just a useless entity like that. Massa, yes, someone stop her down. Ghana force yam pemo ya to about yamo. Get out. Get out. Ghana central for ya to from what? Ya munimian some what Jimmy. Na mo demonsa ene mo hodi atuma kuma so. Ejeje bribe Jessica. E mo bia sefo. and Centrophobia Jimmy Papa. Or Munim Yansa Kete. And no Monte Brab no Monte Gana. And I told me Jimmy Sa. And Centrophobia Munim Yansa. Ghana Centrophobia. That's a Centrophobia full Sabin Amia Kamajai. Kwasia for ya to about money in the material bribe. And then Mama Ghana had 10 Yabahano. Now they are good for the sister one year. Mon can't tell people for say, one rubber timber jubilate. Not Ghana for her. Mon can't tell people for. So Mumra timber money. And now she had one about Duku. No, Quenya, so be a Kushaba Gunium. Massa, yes, enough is enough. Get out from the seat. What you say? Get out from the seat. A kufad ya brawo tong ya brawo wa mamu anya fe masa sifam ya to abanyi wo wonya legal president the akane de emran sitwa na am from on the 7th going minia ohu badwiriw said the youth wa Ghana be sore no ohu badwiriw what you say wo ba baba ta Ghana konya so wa ma Ghana yete sisi tesia bomb mamu from the one. What by ye under performance? What say bibia? One, yeah, someone can hear cry. Manua from basa. The only man no, who could just show them a cuckoo. Wow, son woman when you know, and you see him go see the doors for mine. Sifom, when you need, Quatrafia, or Nananom, our ho, Quatwana says something. Now Ghana Konya should you to me trust him. Ya brow toto wa hayen wa magana kofom ya banks nyina wakuno sikakura bia nyina wakuno enwuma nyina wakuno wa magana wo hiane a hotre adokroyen Ghana fo de abufuo ne de to abatu ya de abufuo atu abatu sori aseme sori na tete to metre konyam so ai masa wo pam wo hu fa to ne be ma o Ghana fo mrantie ne maba wa be sori o na wo dimirika ne be si fam o ewia se nyina ni hwew kwaka me etu ahene babo ama mo kopenunku no me mombra o me ye nipa ba kompe but ye 1,000 of ahene babo ama wachire na me tiasia obewu ahene babo ama no mo a wo mo do so chameye many than that no be more pressure sam wasifom wo be more pressure sam wasifom wo gu Ghana fo ni masepa what disappointed Ghana fo pa nanado ya wadidia sunkubi omu ayenyaye ene yemi yede akonya no mawo waba watimi aperform John Dramani Mahama was the president wana no tie akonya no so ya to abawie ye wo ha ye wo hunu ye wo sifam akofado walusu a sifam akonta sifam ni yade man sifam bibia ni wa betumi aye Ghana ni bia o anaka se sojafo nyina wafa brand dura ne be hu de owo obi afa brand dura ene be hu de owo obi afa mama nim guase aka ye dodo bedimo ho yawo awo sam that dwene kodanda problems peace council bogus institution Christian council bogus institution nya trofo ni pabode from ni aye what John Mahama was so every time bia mo kasa John Mahama free so ene munyama dani mum no bia kasa waka ne yam masa sifam akufo sifam Ghana force sifam ya brew sifam wo me ya brado du sifam wa mamu oja fa sifam wasa sifam wonya de sifam ya to abatia sifam wontumi ntintim yensa anyi yetumi owura John Dramani Mahama se wompene na nka jam kura musuo bɔ no amenra wo ba ye be kan yese ankobepena sanke ba bi odina na kwaka ha no beda no akofie Ghana fo ne to aba no Ghana fo ne to aba no yan ne to aba no yan ye pe e de to aba de ma John Dramani Mahama se wo medi ye so mampanin ani aba ne se oriman wase wo mama den e to wari akọ na wari o wari awia de wari abato ato ye wari wona wo yire wo mama busuafo nyina marere obia no ha you betumi asesa the destiny of this nation, and we will fight till the last drop of our blood. We will fight till you get out from the seat. We will fight. We will continue to fight until say obeso ye fle konyam so. And I can see the judge ya ho dia ma. na kokora bi onye 78 years aba ba di Ghana konya aba say no na no doso eti ne yese ko get out what I say Ghana mabunu anyansafo wom obi ani abre yo obi a presse obesi fom ahoto aba obi ani abre o obi ani abre o obi ani abre yasisi fom Akufo-Addo si fom adi enti na wo pre wo ho atra konya no so kro no bo said ye beya mo beto Ghana japade de ama mo ho said ye beya Ghana japade nya busuafo befa wakonya gabi asare wo kire daako wakonya kendoforiata wanya santi be de atuo wanya bomti wanya adi enko na mo je wo Ghana fo abusuafo ai abusia mamuo abusia nchani ni pabonefo mam ya bra o man mu dodo ma say Ghana dodo Akufo-Addo ha Ghana bedo area na ya duro no ha masa usure di kan Ghana be ye de bruta Ghana e be ye de papa Akufo-Addo Ghana for say enough is enough wasa wonya de wa mamu atan etisi fom ya to obetia ya to atia yesi ye mpewo na be dabu man one send this in our majority of parliament kwa community akwasi ampani bi si stomach journalist na be me tie me yafuru sa me stomach journalist fititio because me ba na me yafuru so na mom I don't condone with stupidity and nonsense and central for kwa yakwaji sika humidi wombi and central for ya mom sika no humidi wombi masa me kwadu obi sika o sa me kwakam yamano mo ko bi so wura John Dramani Mahama say a free that within the president the baby sinne was here wa hine babu amasa ni one city atokro dem one city kwakwa wa man bia di da mo bi sab jam na mo bi send this from panifo so obi ama one city atokro dem da obi ama mi bia o meka seska no but the American nyina say ya kasa de magana fo me ya Ghana ni mato aba me se Akufo-Addo me mpeno ani mato atia no ya to wie nyame adom ya kan ye wadi ntwo ware si fam o simi si fam ade na woje Christian council etimo be mo menye gigan sana masesem ntade sakatu no ade ababa gira kekensem hunu ade acha Ghana fo na mo twe sabre no ansana na akwa community a na isi boss ababa ntese ya ye mistake eti yasesa no ade atia no masesa figure Ghana hey baby adro no ebeye de papa me say de na Ghana fo atwa ni mu ene say wo wura John Dramani Mahama beba bonte aba be kasa ene wa kasa wie wo se ya nyintum eti wonya president de ene fu aka akai wo ye mampani na ebo be free wa akono wo tumi free wo mampani biam atase wo tumi free wo mampani biam ye betu ye be mo sorry you will never be president we ex-president the president elect ayo wura John Dramani Mahama wono ana Ghana force ye peno wono ana yeji no wono ne yatu abade ama no wono ne yatu ama no wono ne yane ne ko wono no obedi Ghana nim wono no ade mpuntua de bra Ghana for ye pe free school ye pe free hospital ye pe free yedie ye pe mpuntuo ye pe adwuma pa ye pe big push ye pe nuoma pa ye betumi aboa ma Ghana koso enye mumu bia wonim hwe woto wonim dan wo ba ye de no waye toilet and then we see your flows but kwanya ba ye waye wo ba ye waye budget bia je wo sika bia ne abusuafo atadi e de pa no maya magana wo mapani Akufo-Addo na ye disappointed wo mu na Ghana had ye etumi kontene wo ne mabunu no be sori aba so mabunu no be sori aba Jubilee House mabunu no be sori aba ye de afatuo metuo na mom ye sori ano patututu a ne aba betra aboboa no send your member soldier for Kuyana. Kugana for Nawie. Nabu man. I didn't why what just say. Sagana for Nabu. I'm when you quenya boomanya. Obape. No mum the catch on and say. Ghana for say. Ya man who can be him. I'm an in so. Tell your Penyamislo bia. You'll buy a baby video no. As some drink come. Assembly babiano. Yabasadia boom.